Money has started wars, crowned kings, and collapsed empires. And in the middle of Europe's financial chaos, one woman held the keys to the mint. A widow who wasn't supposed to matter, who rewrote the rules, stabilized an economy, and then was almost deleted from history. Europe in the 1500s was messy. Kings were broke, armies demanded pay, and merchants were desperate for trust in trade. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Money back then wasn't stable. Coins were so corrupted that merchants weighed them like lumps of metal just to check if they were real. And at the center of this fragile financial system stood the royal mint. Whoever controlled the mint controlled trust. Enter Anna Jagiellon, born into power, yes, but overshadowed by kings and generals. When her husband died, the world expected her to disappear into widowhood. Instead, she did the unthinkable.
She walked into the royal mint, a fortress of men, money, and tradition, and declared, "This is mine now."
But Anna didn't inherit treasure, she inherited chaos. The mint was bleeding money, corruption ran deep, counterfeiters everywhere. The bankers whispered, "She'll ruin us." The council sneered, "What can a woman know of money?" But Anna, she was ruthless. She hired inspectors. She punished counterfeiters brutally. She tightened standards so every coin was heavy, real, trusted again. Every army needed coins. Every treaty, every tax, every rebellion depended on money. If Anna failed, the economy collapsed. If she succeeded, kingdoms survived. The pressure wasn't abstract. A single weak coin could spark rebellion. And yet, coin by coin, Anna rebuilt trust. She didn't lead armies. She didn't wear a crown of power. She ruled through something invisible: credibility. People rarely think about where money comes from, but Anna was the hidden guardian of that trust. An invisible power, that's the most dangerous kind. But history is cruel. Bankers like the Medicis became legends, kings became icons, and Anna Jagiellon, she became a footnote. Why? Because she was a woman, and history, written mostly by men, chose to erase her. But here's the kicker: money still works the same way. It's no longer silver or gold, it's paper, pixels, and promises. But trust is still everything, and 500 years ago, when that trust was collapsing, one forgotten widow stepped in and saved it. So, next time you hold a coin or tap your phone to pay, remember, the system we take for granted was once fragile, one decision away from ruin. And sometimes, the people who saved it weren't kings or tycoons. Sometimes it was the forgotten widow who ran Europe's money mint